Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today, we will talk about the life of Elon Musk, one of the most famous people in the world. Elon Musk is an inventor, businessman, and dreamer. His ideas are changing how we live and imagine the future. Let's get started. Elon Musk was born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa. He was a curious and smart child who loved books and computers. When he was only 12 years old, he created a video game and sold it for $500. Even as a kid, Elon showed that he could think big and work hard. Elon's parents divorced when he was young. He lived mostly with his dad, but his childhood was not easy. Elon was often bullied at school, and this made him feel lonely. To escape, he spent a lot of time reading books and learning about science and technology. At the age of 17, Elon decided to leave South Africa. He wanted to live in a place where he could chase his dreams. First, he moved to Canada to study at a university. Later, he transferred to the University of Pennsylvania in the United States, where he studied physics and economics. After graduating, Elon started his first business with his brother. The company was called Zip2, and it helped newspapers create maps and guides for their websites. It was a big success, and Elon sold the company for $307 million. Elon was only 28 years old and he was already rich. But Elon didn't stop there. He wanted to create new things that would change the world. In 1999, he started a company called X.com, which later became PayPal. PayPal made it easier for people to send and receive money online. In 2002, Elon sold PayPal to eBay for $1.5 billion. With all this money, Elon could have retired and lived a quiet life. But he had bigger dreams. He wanted to help humanity. Elon decided to focus on three main goals: making space travel possible, using clean energy, and improving transportation. In 2002, Elon started SpaceX, a company that builds rockets. He wanted to make space travel cheaper and safer. Many people thought he was crazy. In the beginning, SpaceX faced a lot of problems. Their first 3 rocket launches failed, and the company almost went bankrupt. But Elon never gave up. In 2008, SpaceX launched its 4th rocket, and it was a success. Today, SpaceX is one of the most successful space companies in the world. They even sent astronauts to the International Space Station. Around the same time, Elon started Tesla, a company that makes electric cars. At first, people didn't believe that electric cars could be fast, cool, or popular. But Elon worked hard to prove them wrong. Tesla's cars are now some of the best in the world, and they don't use gas, which helps the environment. Elon also created Solar City, a company that helps people use the power of the sun to make energy. He believes that clean energy is very important for the future of our planet. Elon Musk's ideas are not always easy to achieve, and he has faced many challenges. But he always believes in his vision and keeps trying, even when things go wrong. Elon is also a father. He has many children and likes to spend time with them. He teaches them about science and life. Today, Elon Musk is one of the richest people in the world, but more importantly, he is someone who dreams big and works hard to make his dreams come true. He is working on projects like building a city on Mars, creating super-fast trains, and connecting our brains to computers. Elon's story teaches us that anything is possible if we work hard and believe in ourselves. So what do you think about Elon Musk's life? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring stories. See you next time. If you enjoyed the story, please like, subscribe, and share. What country are you from? Tell me in the comments below.